Hey everyone, planning a trip for 2026? Booking.com has introduced some powerful new AI tools and an updated review system to make finding the perfect stay easier than ever. Today, I'm going to walk you through the updated booking process step by step. Let's get into it. Step 1. Use the AI Trip Planner. Start by opening the app or website. For 2026, instead of just using search bars, try the AI Trip Planner or Smart Stays feature. You can type naturally, like, "Find me a boutique hotel in Tokyo with a view of Mount Fuji and a spa," and it will filter the best options for you instantly. Step 2. Check the new recency-weighted reviews. When you find a property, look closely at the review score. In 2026, Booking.com uses a recency-weighted system. This means reviews from the last few months carry more weight than older ones, giving you a much more accurate picture of how the hotel is performing right now. Step 3. Pick your room and policy. Once you've selected a hotel, scroll to the available rooms. Pro tip: use the free cancellation filter. The 2026 interface now clearly shows a cancellation timer, so you know exactly how long you have to change your mind. Check for Genius discounts. If you're a member, you can often save up to 20% directly on the room rate. Step 4. Secure checkout with Smart Messenger. Enter your guest details. New for 2026, you can add your VAT or GST number directly during checkout for business invoices. Before you hit Book Now, use the Smart Messenger tool to ask the property questions like, "Is early check-in available?" and get an instant AI-generated response based on the hotel's actual policies. Step 5. Confirmation and in-app management. After booking, you'll receive an instant confirmation email and a push notification. In the Trips tab, you'll now find AI voice support. You can literally talk to the app to manage your reservation, request extra pillows, or even initiate a cancellation without digging through menus. And there you go. Your 2026 getaway is officially locked in. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.